Hi guys, I'm Shauna
and I'm Chanel,
and this is Vegans Approve. Welcome back to our channel.
So for today we are talking about vegan makeup.
Yes, vegan makeup. As you may not have known, it's not only what we eat that should be vegan, it's also what we use on our skin. Your skin is your largest organ, so if you don't plan on eating meat, you shouldn't be putting animal products on your skin.
What's in makeup that doesn't make it vegan?
There's a lot of things. Beeswax, lanolin, which is wool grease, squalene, which is shark liver, carmine, which is crushed up beetles, gelatin, which is cow or pig's bones, tendons, and ligaments, allantoin, which is cow urine, ambergris, which is whale's vomit, and placenta from sheep's.
Ew.
Yeah, a lot of animal products in your makeup. So today we'll show you what we use as vegans.
So before you can put on your makeup, you have to make sure you have a clean base. So you need to cleanse, tone, and moisturize. What do you use to cleanse?
Water.
Just water?
Yeah, just water. 3 times a week I'll make myself some scrub and use that on my skin, but that's for another video.
What do you use to tone?
I use for toner, I use lavender water or rose water. Spritz it. And then to moisturize, I use 100% cocoa butter. What do you use to cleanse and tone and moisturize?
My toner and both my moisturizer are both from the brand Glow Recipe.
Is this a vegan brand, a full vegan brand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What's your first step?
So now that we're all toned and moisturized, the first step is applying primer. This primer is from Beauty Bakery. Their products are really cute. They have like some nice flower. It says Beauty Bakery, so most of their things are bake related. So this is like a stick of butter, but it's a really good primer. Then they have flour, which is like the powder. They have lip stuff, a lot of things, and the line is fully vegan.
Mm-hmm.
What do you use?
For primer, I use the Bare Minerals Original Primer. Not all of Bare Minerals things are vegan, but some things are.
So, I'm a certified makeup artist by trade. So, I do a lot of makeup, and she watches and follows, so she has her own routine that she follows. So, after you have a good base, the next step, I do my eyebrows first. What do you do?
My eyebrows.
Yeah?
Yeah, what do you use? I
use Kat Von D. Kat Von D is a fully vegan makeup brand too. And the eyeshadows are, eye pencils are really good. She also has like the line,
eyeliner?
the eyeliners that are good, and the liquid liners and stuff. So it's very good. So I use a Kat Von D for my eyebrow.
For my eyebrows, I just I use eyebrow gel. I don't like actually fill them in, and I use the NYX Control. Like the primer that I use, all of NYX stuff aren't vegan, but some of their stuff are.
So let's eyebrows away. I guess your brows are thicker than mine, so you don't need lines.
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
What?
My tip broke. What's your next step?
My next step is concealer, and I use the e.l.f. 16-hour Cameo Concealer. All of e.l.f.'s brand is vegan.
Yeah, especially the brushes. e.l.f. has some good brushes that are vegan. These are at the front here. They're very soft. No animal hairs or stuff. They're really soft to the touch, so it's nice and what? Good to use. Soft, tender. Okay, so I'm still on my eyebrows.
Using a brush and blending in my concealer.
Alright, that's good enough for now. What do you think?
Perfect.
It's perfect. Okay, good. Alright, so for my foundation, I use Mented. This is a really good brand for foundation, and there's also the Juvia's Place. They have some really good foundations as well. So usually I'll just put on my foundation like that. Then I go with a lighter shade, a darker shade, to do sort of contouring. And then the lighter shade
for concealer
under my eyes, my nose, up there, down here, here.
For foundation, I use the Rare Beauty Skin Tint.
Okay. Yeah, Rare Beauty is Selena Gomez's brand.
And it's fully vegan.
Fully vegan. So Mented is fully vegan as well. And then I blend. Use a brush to apply
foundation.
Okay. I use brushes. Sometimes I use the
Beauty blenders.
Beauty blender. Sometimes I use my finger. Just depends on the day.
I would normally, I used to use my beauty blender a lot, but it's harder to clean, and I feel like that was causing me to break out. So I went back to brushes, because I know it's easier to clean them. Okay, so after that, I take the Bare Minerals powder and just lightly go around my face to set it a little bit.
What powder? The Bare Minerals?
Yeah.
You said not all of their products are vegan, right?
Yeah, not all of it.
What that powder is, right? Okay. I use for powder I use the Beauty Bakery. They have a lot of different bless you.
Thank you.
Too much powder.
Too much powder.
I don't use a lot. I just dab my brush, tap it off, and then just go over my skin. So if there are any spots that's still coming through on my skin, I'll go in with the Beauty Bakery concealer and just tap it.
Next, I use the Rare Beauty blush. This blush is very pigmented, so if you use it, you only need a little bit.
This I'll just go with my fingers and just blend it in. And then go back over with the powder brush and set it. Lifts your under eye really nicely. So if you're doing eyeshadow, Juvia's Place is a real nice brand that has some really pigmented eyeshadows. Beauty Bakery does as well. There's a lot of eyeshadow brands. For blush, Elf has these little blushes that's easy to carry and you just dab it on. For blush, I use this Beauty Bakery. It has the 3-in-1, the blush, the highlighter, and the contour powder. So this is my go-to every day.
I was about to use that too, but for the highlighter in this one.
So get a little rosiness in the cheeks. Add back some color to the skin. Go over the top. Smile. I use either the Beauty Bakery. If it's just a regular, I'm just going outside quickly. Nothing too dramatic. I'll use this one. But if I'm going out, I'm gonna go for my Thrive Cosmetics. This one, it has fibers in it, so it extends your lashes. You see the difference?
Yeah, this one, is that the Thrive?
Yeah, this is a Thrive. Thrive is also a fully vegan brand. I use their mascara and their eyeliner. It's really good.
Next I use the Muniage lip sleeping mask. It's really good for your lips.
So this is very creamy, a nice creamy mascara, so it glides on really easy. So the Thrive.
And then after I put on the Sephora Hydrating Lip Balm, which has avocado butter and plant-based squalane in it. So not the, what was the squalane?
Shark liver?
Not shark liver, plant-based squalane.
So a plant-based squalane. I need to check what that comes from. Do you put mascara in your bottom lashes?
Yeah, but not a lot. And then last, I use the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist by Elf.
Soft big lashes. Can you see? You're done?
Yep.
I'm gonna put on some highlighter. Ooh, Beauty Bakery. I love this highlighter. Put it at your high points, points that the light catches first. So that's right here above your cheeks. Put some under your brow bone and blend this in so it's not too obvious or too pronounced. Lips. You thought you went with gloss, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go with some lipstick. So a very good brand of lipstick is a lip bar. They have some really beautiful colors and they stay very long. They have the lip pencils. The Mented, they have a really good lip line too, and the lip pencils. So that's worth giving a try. So today I'm gonna put on some red. And then apply. So this is just a quick and easy makeup routine.
Mine is quick and easy. Hers is just easy.
All vegan. All vegan approved. So it's nice and dry and matte and cute, right? So that was fixed. That's everything.
You finished?
Am I ready for the road?
Yeah.
So let us know what you think about our quick and easy vegan beauty makeup routine.
And comment down any brands that we didn't mention.
So, thanks for watching.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And turn on your post notification.
Bye.
Make your food your medicine, not your medicine your food. A little song you could learn from vegans approved. You a vegan or you looking for some options that's new. Don't worry, cause I got you, this the right channel for you. Cause it's vegans approved, yeah, it's vegans approved. You want something to eat, but you don't know what to choose. Go to vegans approved, search up vegans approved. Head over to the channel, cause I got some good news. Check out vegans approved, look up vegans approved. You need some advice, they could tell you what to do. Let the vegans approve, both the vegans approved. They got some healthy tips that you might wanna use.